Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create a desk based on the pieces created before. First, open the inlay drawer, the multibody. Then save this file as the desk boards. Okay, we are going to make this panel as the left support and this one to be the desktop. So we are going to delete the other panels. Okay, then press the F2 key, modify the name. It's the desktop. And this one is the left support. Okay, next we are going to delete the features that we don't need. Then go to the desktop and delete this glue and the socket on the right, including the shape binder. Then go to the boolean and find the card body on the right. Then delete this one. Okay, then let's continue to the left support. Delete the glue pocket and go to the socket sketch. Then delete the profile on the left. Okay, close the sketch. Now we can hide the panel to check. And next we are going to modify the parameters and go to the windows till these two windows. And this is the desk length, set it to 1500. And the box width, it's the desk height, set it to 740. This one is the desk depth, set to 650. And the panel thickness is 35. And next, let's modify the dovetail size. First, set the pin socket width to 15 and modify the quantity to 10. It's good. Okay. Now let's go to the multibody. And next, create a new file and save the file as the desk. Next, go to the assembly workbench and create a new one. Then go to the component to insert and go to open file, find the chest of drawers, then open it. Now we can find the chest of drawer and find the main assembly. Then make it as the grounded part. And then continue to add the desk boards, the left support and the desktop. Then adjust the orientation of the panels. Then we can go to the tree manager, select the left support and rotate. Okay. Now let's go to the fixed joint. And select the point on the desktop. Then let's find the point on the chest of drawers. And here go to the offset, set it to 100. And add a minus before it to reverse the direction. Okay. Then add a fixed joint for the left support. Select these two edges and rotate 90 degrees. Okay. We can go to the front view to check. Here I think I need to go back to modify the first joint. To modify the offset to 105. Okay. Now go to the multi-body and go to the part design workbench. Create a new body. Then modify the body name to the right spot. And create a sketch on the XY plane. Then draw a rectangle. And here, if the constraint generated, just delete it. Then we are going to add a dimension. Set the length to 50. And the height to 110. And then the vertical distance. Set it to 30. Okay. And then the horizontal distance. Let me try 500. I think maybe 600 is better. Okay. And close the sketch. Then go to pad. Set the length to 500. Okay. Next, let's create another sketch on the XY plane. And zoom in. Let's hide the desktop and go to the projection. Select the edge or this face. Then select all the edges, make them to be construction geometry. Then go to polyline to draw a triangle. And another one on the right. Next, select this line, make it to be horizontal. And next, let's draw a construction line in the middle. We are going to make the profiles to be symmetrical. Select the points and press the S key to make it to be symmetrical. And the next, add a dimension, set the length to 5. And this one is 5 divided 6. 6 is the dovetail ratio. Okay. Then go to pocket and modify the type to through all. And reverse the direction. Then click OK. Then we can show the desktop and clone this new body. Then activate the desktop. We are going to create a boolean cut, add the clone body, and modify the type to cut. Click OK, finish it. Then we have the dovetail cut on the desktop. Okay. And next, let's go to the desk assembly and active the assembly and go to component, insert the right spot. Then let's rotate this cleat to adjust the orientation. And then click OK. Then go to the fixed joint. Select the edge on this cleat. And let's continue. Select the corresponding edge on the desktop. That's all. Thank you for your watching. If this is helpful to you, please subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you in the next one.